hiking out in the snow today, just the local woods, but going through all of the nooks and crevices of just everything, deep into the forests, onto the big hill, which is over here. You can't really see, but there's currently like 100 people up there. They're all just sledging. It is the best sledging spot in the whole city, to be honest. So there's some horses over here. We're just having a good time. It's currently like -1. It snowed yesterday a lot, but because it's been so cold, it's just stuck. But this is just like a whimsical adventure, and I'm pretty excited to do this one. I haven't done this one for over a year. When I've talked in the past about me leaving work early to come do a bit of exploration and just be out in nature, like this is the spot I used to come to. So this is like a good happy spot for me, and I love coming here. But in a few, I would say probably about an hour, we're probably going to be here, because we have to loop all the way around, up there, down into the forests over there, chill, come back, do it all again, and then home. Heading up towards the hill now. It's I'm warming up a bit. My legs aren't as cold anymore, but I think it's because they're tired from this hill. There's a cheeky little bench right there. I'm gonna stop off at that for a drink, because my mouth's just dry as hell, but so far I'm enjoying this. It's peaceful. I wanted it to snow before Christmas, so I could get a hike in like this before the new year, because I think like when you go to your happy place and it just looks as good as this, that was going to be a good thing to do before New Year, but we're doing it now, and that's all that matters. Right, how do I drink a water on that lovely bench right there? I've been coming here since I was a kid. We used to stop off there when walking the dog. We're now going to cut through this woods here, which takes you to the start of the ascent of the big hill, which I love doing. But I do that, walk past the hundreds of people sledging, and continue the rest of the hike. This is just beautiful. I used to come out here when I was like deeply obsessed with Big Les Show and Sassy the Sasquatch. I used to like do little clips of myself stood over there taking a drink me water and that, with fucking Sassy the Sasquatch quotes over the top of it. What the fuck? But yeah, track through here. I'm at the top of the hill. There's just loads of people here. When I was a kid, we used to go down that one, but no one does that anymore, and there's no snow on it. But that one used to be crazy. I used to ride my bike down that as well. Wicked. Oh, my back's hurting. I think it's from carrying this bag and then walking on a funny angle. But people going down this bit. What do you think we're gonna run across that? The pond? I don't want to get too close to the edge because I don't want to fall in, but all of this is just like deep water. I think I was here with Baz last. We were throwing big rocks to try and break it, and it just doesn't break. But we're at the bottom of the hill. Got to trek along through this path now until we get to the next set of woods, which is my favourite ones. It's where I used to go have fires, I used to go chill, make some food, and just, I used to be beast. But that's the next spot. We also can go next to the big lake. Yeah, trees fell out. Look at just how beautiful this looks.
Do you remember the singing man?
Yes. Came in here once and there was a man singing opera, which scared the shit out of me because I didn't really know what it was. But yeah, it was a bit weird. Apparently it's just like a common thing, and yeah, he's in here once a week. just wanders the forest and sings opera. I think I've got a video as well. Mate, what the fuck? I don't know where the fuck he's gone. I just know it's fucking scary as fuck. Mate. But this is probably one of my favourite spots in the hike. It's just this little round path through the trees before you get into like the deep woods, but it's fucking awesome. Where we're going is this bit here. There is a nice little duck feeding bit, which is just here. Oh, they put a bit of wood to stop people climbing around. Still gonna do it. So we've come through, well, we haven't come through that, we've just hopped the fence. Look at that. Now isn't that a beautiful landscape? Whoa. Actually I'm a bit too warm. Before we went out on this trip, we went along the mountain warehouse to see if we could get some more thermals, just because it is like very cold today, but I'm playing it nice and simple. I just have my new Columbia t-shirt on, my nice North Face coat. That's all I need really, and then my hiking pants, my hiking boots. But this coat, I swear to God, it's currently like, I think it's like -1 right now. I'm still fairly warm. I unzipped my coat before because I was, yeah, it's 0 degrees, but like I say, it's still pretty warm. I think we're gonna do some photos now with this in the background, because why not? It looks sick. Just got wrapped up doing photos, heading to the last little bit, which is just a nice little, I don't know, little foresty bit, and then we'll head back. This is the nice little bit of the trail here. Notice how literally no one walked through here when we were in here. It's like everyone just skips this bit. Sledging. Everyone's sledging. This is one of my favourite bits. Me and Darren used to wander through here all the time in the dark. Back when we used to come and have some fires and shit, but I do like this bit a lot. There's a nice little, I think there's water there or something, but it's arid. It's just nice and peaceful. I've filmed a lot of clips for my TikTok in this little bit of woods here. Me walking through these trees and stuff and just looking cinematic as fuck. Now that is awesome. Try not to put my arm in whatever shit that is. It's cold. We stopped for photos and now we're freezing. We are heading back. I'm gonna get some food. I mean, I've got food in my bag, which is pretty what I'll eat, but whew, it's cold. Oh no. I can't believe that's all frozen over though. That's crazy. Mad. What a nice out fucking cold. I love my horsey and my horsey love me. I used to come here as a kid. This little bridge, it's changed drastically, but my grandma used to live over this hill. We would get up every Sunday morning, having staying over on a Saturday. This used to be crazy for water. It was just like a massive stream. There used to be frogs, there used to be like little fish and tadpoles, and I just don't even know anymore. But it's been littered with fucking, there used to be trolleys and all sorts in here. But goated spot, used to feed ducks here. Used to love it, man. Every Sunday morning for at least 5 years, I think. I loved it. It's a core childhood memory. Oh, we're almost done. I can't wait to eat and then get out the cold. My hands are sound, legs are sound, everything. My face is just frozen and my ears are hurting, so my camera's about to die, I think, just because of the cold. I'm deciding to wrap up the night with some fucking spare ribs and some rice. And I'll chill out, watch some YouTube and that, and get ready for the gym in the morning. Ribs and rice, honey.